It opens like a butterfly. Y'all see it? That is why it's called a butterfly seam. Facing right sides together, because that's how we sew, right? Right sides together. So this side facing this side, and you're going to sew them 1/2 inch. I'm about to sew it. Make sure you back stitch on the edges so the stitches stay. 1/2 inch. Take a marker, butterfly seam, butterfly. Y'all know how to spell butterfly? Ooh. Butterfly seam. Boom, bop. Press it open. It opens like a butterfly. Y'all see it? That is why it's called a butterfly seam. It opens up like a butterfly. You always want to make sure you do overlock the ends, because this fabric, it frays. This fabric frays, so you do want to make sure you overlock the ends. I'm about to do that right now. Just like this. So now it won't fray. Perfectly put together. This is called the butterfly seam.